Are you becoming frustrated, angry that the cost of everything is skyrocketing, yet little old you is left with the same pay packet as you've always had? And worse, all your hard work, it's lining someone else's pockets. If this sounds familiar, well then, let's take some action and join the digital gold rush that's happening right now across the world, and start by building a profitable online business from scratch, even if you don't have any experience at all. In the next couple of moments, I'm going to highlight how you can be just like the hundreds of thousands of people that are starting to generate an additional income to take the pressure away from having that negative relationship with their bank balance each and every month. The completely free workshop series that got me started, it's attached to the learn more button in and around this videos. Now these workshops are a game changer. They highlight the exact kinds of business you can build as a total beginner, and you can get started with them right away, and you don't need your own product or service at all to get going. I know I didn't. Then we're going to show you how to use the power of something called automation and make it work for you 24 hours a day by doing all the selling, the marketing, the delivering of your products and services, so that you can earn money in your sleep without needing any fancy tech skills. Lastly, you'll recognise what it's going to take to create a successful online business right now without giving up all your time and spare money. When I started out online, I had no tech skills at all. I was a total beginner with no experience in marketing or automation, but I was absolutely determined to create a life where I had the power to write my own paychecks. With all the chaos that's going on in the world at present, there hasn't been a better time to start earning money in a new way, safely at home or wherever you choose. So look, you could carry on coasting through life, being aggravated with your finances month to month, or you could join that $1 trillion digital gold rush, getting your time and financial freedom back to spend more time with your loved ones doing what's most important. I don't know, magical moments on holidays, parties, adventure, hobbies, getting fit, whatever it is. So come on, let's click the learn more button, give me your contact details, and I'll send you that completely free video workshop series straight to your inbox. Then you'll have all the knowledge to set you up for online success. Thank you so much for listening, and I look forwards to working with you on the other side.